This is Dr. Drew Hall with Upper Cervical Healthcare of Los Angeles and Carson. Today we have Marisa with us. She's been under care for about 9 months, and she's just going to tell you some of the health problems she was experiencing before getting under upper cervical care and how it affected her life. And then she's going to talk about what happened after she got her correction and how she kind of went through the healing process.
Mm-hmm. Well, the major problems I've always had are back problems, and then when I did a 5K, I'm not very athletic, but I tried running, and I felt something in my leg. So after that, I just had a really strong aches and pains in my left leg. And I thought it was my sciatica, but it was just an unhinging pain where I couldn't really move or walk. I was limping. And then I had started the school year, and I'm the coordinator, so I'm going to different classes and buildings, and I couldn't. It was hard for me to walk maybe 1,000 steps, or then after I got under your care.
So let me ask you a question. So how long were you dealing with this issue where your leg was hurting and you couldn't walk more than 1,000 steps?
Yeah, I think a few months.
Few months.
A few months. And then I got on the plan to come more regularly, because I think I wasn't coming as regularly. But then I started feeling better, so then I thought, okay, that means I have to keep going to get adjusted. But then I also did something else. I also started physical therapy. So it was a combination of things, but it would always come back to the alignment procedure, because that would help me feel better and get more energy and just naturally heal, because at one point I was starting to take too much Tylenol or Norco, which I don't like to do. So Dr. Hall would always tell me, like, it's a healing, your body can heal itself. So I started listening to that.
So I was just reading the other day, 50 million Americans are living in chronic pain in this country. And what do? They mostly take medication. And we know that pain-killing medication is not good for your GI gut. It toxifies the liver. So not only, I guess, your pain went away, you're not taking medication anymore, obviously, if it doesn't hurt, correct?
No.
Yeah.
And then the other thing that I always had is posture. So I noticed right away, that was the one thing I noticed, my posture improved a lot. Right now, I haven't got adjusted in a while, and sitting down a lot for work because I'm working from home. But definitely my posture, and that came along with building my confidence too.
So most people think that our profession is good at treating pain, which she did better with, but the central nervous system doesn't control muscle tone. It controls all the hormones and everything in your body. And so interestingly enough, probably 50% of the patients notice that their mood is better, they have more confidence because they feel better. And getting to what Marisa just said about posture, the brainstem, which sits right at the base of the skull, is your postural center, not just in the neck, but all the muscle tone through the whole body is controlled right up in the brainstem. So we find when the neck dislodges in the past from a trauma, it causes musculoskeletal imbalance, and this is how the upper neck can affect not only the leg and the hip in different areas, but the overall posture of the body. So thank you, Marisa, for telling us your story.
And I would like to add one more thing.
You want to add one more thing? All right, one more thing.
I think all that put together, I think, Dr. Hall, you changed my life, because you healed me in a good way, and then it also helped me have confidence to start dating. And so now I'm in a committed relationship.
Yes.
And I do attribute it to all your good help and consistency with me, because that is a huge thing about, being able to go out and dance, do activities that I like to do that I had stopped doing because of the pain in my leg.
Great.
Ooh.
Thank you for your story.
Yeah.
I want to clarify one thing. You didn't turn it off, did you?
No, it's not.
I didn't heal her body healed her.
Oh, okay.
We just got rid of, it's okay. We just got rid of the interference, and we have my favorite quote in upper cervical is, nature needs no help, just no interference. So we remove the interference and nature does the healing. The body naturally goes back into balance. So again, the last time, thank you, Marisa, for your story.